Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bexar County Court of Law number 6 and the Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court arraignment docket. Today is Tuesday, 12 October 2021. It's approximately 2:12 p.m. Those of you that don't enjoy our arraignment dockets as much as the rest of us and would like to avoid them in the future have a very easy way to do that. All you have to do is stay in touch with your client or let us know that you are not able to stay in touch with your client. B, get an offer from the state, and either Megan Galloway or Guillermo Flores will be happy to send you an offer as soon as you request it. And after you've received the offer and talked it over with your client, let Pat know what you want to do. If you've got an arrangement or an agreement worked out with the state, we can set you on the plea docket. If you need a jury trial, we'll set you off on the jury trial, which will get us now into what, December, Pat? Is that kind of where we are?
January.
Oh, January 2022. So everybody's going, I'll just set it for jury trial and get out of here. All right, It'll actually work. Let's see who we got on our hit list today. Mr. Brendel, are you with us? Is Ross with us?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
He is. Talk to me about Julian Ramos, please.
I've sent the prosecution all the documents and his classes and everything, and that's the veteran that we are trying to work out a deal with. So it's almost to that point of getting that deal. So if we get a reset.
Okay. State, are we close to a deal?
Judge, we need to review the documentation that Mr. Brendel has sent to us, and we're going to have to set up a time to confer probably via phone with Mr. Brendel on this case.
You need 2 weeks, 30 days. What would be a good time frame so I don't rush you?
Judge, I believe 2 weeks would be sufficient.
Okay with you, Ross? Ross, 2 weeks on this one work for you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we're good to go on that one then. Talk to me about Daniela Mercado, please.
I've sent the prosecution everything, and we're just waiting for that final revised offer, and then we'll talk with the client and then hopefully put it on the plea docket.
You want 2 weeks on? We just set all these for 2 weeks that you need time on so that you're coming back to the same time and place. Will that work?
Yes, Your Honor. That'll work.
Right. But you've already received the initial offer on that case, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I got you. All right. Talk to me about Joe Garcia, please.
This is a case where I do have an offer, and I'm going to talk with my client about it, and then hopefully put it on the plea docket also. So 2 weeks for that would be good. That way I can, go over everything with them and seal it out.
We'll reset that one for 2. If you get anything agreed on before 2 weeks, just let Pat know and we can move up your time scale if you want. Talk to me about Stephanie Baggett, please.
I believe we're still waiting on discovery. In that case, there wasn't videos uploaded, so we'll probably have to. I don't know how long that usually takes, just to request.
Normally, we just stick you on our jury trial docket to buy us some time because the state's been having a devil of a time trying to get videos and other evidence from the police and the sheriff. So we're going to put you on the jury trial docket with the understanding if you get something resolved before then or you get discovery before then, and you can work it out. Just let Pat know. Would that be okay?
Yes, Your Honor, that'll work.
All right. And that's all I got for you that I see.
I have other cases too.
What else you got?
Joel Guerrero. I actually
that one we've taken him off the docket. I believe that was going to be a plea.
Yeah, and that's reset for next week. That was a discovery case also.
Yeah, I take him off. All right.
So is that all we got for Ross?
Yes, sure.
No, I got more.
Who?
Sorry, just a second.
Yeah.
And then Sean Aguero, we put that on the plea dockets.
That's right, and that was taken off the docket.
Oh, Sean Aguero?
Yeah. Guerrero and we're also. As soon as you put him on the plea docket, I take him off.
Okay, thank you. And then I also have Brian Fox, I believe is scheduled for today, and that's just a brand new case for me. So
no, unless you were hired on it and I did not know. And I don't have a Fox on here, I don't think.
Okay, I'll look into that and I'll let you know.
Okay.
But
thank you.
that's it for me today.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Joseph Lassen, are you with us?
I am, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Keely Taylor, please.
I need to speak with the district attorney, and I'm awaiting discovery.
Okay. Are you like talking video discovery, or what are you waiting for?
I don't have anything, Your Honor.
What is there in a failure to stop and give information case?
Like I says in the police report, as well as video, if there
Let's
was
read
any.
on our jury trial docket just to buy us some time and state we're looking for discovery on, looks like Keely Taylor. Does that sound right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And so you're going to be on our jury trial docket now in January. If you get your discovery before then and you've got a plan other than the jury trial, let Pat know, okay?
Absolutely.
All right, thanks. Gammon, you made it.
I did, Your Honor. After consideration, I would ask to get my cases reset till next Tuesday. One, it seems the offer has changed. Two, they need more time to make an offer. And the other two, I haven't had a chance to talk to my clients about them. I just got the offers.
Okay,
So,
when we get,
it just sounds so, overwhelming.
how much time you need, Gammon?
Whatever's best for the court, Judge. I don't think I have anything. I can't make it next week. Of course, I said that last week, but
Let's do this. Let's set each of these cases, which is Matthew Garcia, Miguel Perez, Randy Reyna, and Alexa. No, that's somebody else's. 1, 2,
James Logan.
4. Yeah, let's set them all for 2 weeks to give Cameron enough time to get that coordinated. But you're in touch with all these folks, Cameron, right? Nobody's AWOL on me.
yes, Your Honor. The only problem I have there is on Mr. Pettis. If you would hold up on that warrant and the bond, I mean, he's ready to take the deal, but they have altered it slightly.
He's already got a warrant out. Are you in touch with him again?
Yes, he should be there ready to take a plea, but it's changed, Judge.
So I need to recall the warrant. You've got him again, correct?
Thank you. Yes, sir. I got all of them, and 2
Okay.
weeks is more than enough. Thank you.
All right.
Unless I die before then it
No,
won't be enough.
no, don't even say that.
I flirt with danger. Of course,
I
it
know you do.
Stop
flaps
that,
my
Gammon.
face all the time.
Gammon, you're
Say that.
here. Thank you.
Thank you. If y'all can let my people know, or I don't know, they should all be waiting in the waiting room.
Okay, we'll
Thank you
let
so much.
everybody know.
You have
Bye-bye.
a safe, healthy, and beautiful day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oscar Hernandez with us.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Alexa Reynosa Hernandez, please.
Waiting for an offer. We originally said we were going to put this on a jury just to get an offer, but I'm back on pretrial, so waiting for an offer.
State, can you fire off an offer on Ms. Reynosa Hernandez to Mr. Hernandez? And will a week give you enough time, Oscar? You need 2.
2 would be preferable, Judge.
Let's do 2.
Okay,
And if you get it resolved before then or figured out before then, just let Pat know.
Will do. Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. Mike White, talk to me about Joseph Munoz.
Yes, Your Honor, we want to apply for pretrial diversion, but I haven't discussed that with the prosecution yet.
State, are you taking pretrial diversions on unlawfully carrying handguns?
Yes, it was in his car. He wasn't
It
carrying it
depends on
around.
the facts, Judge, and the defendant's criminal history.
I'm sorry. So, Guillermo, is he eligible for pretrial diversion or not?
At this point, no, Your Honor. I have an offer that I sent to defense counsel.
Okay, so they shouldn't apply for pretrial diversion. Is that what you're saying?
That's correct. I sent an offer on September 29th, Mr. White.
Mike, they're denying your request for applying for pretrial. They've sent you another offer. You want a week? You want to go on our jury trial docket?
Yeah, I'd like another setting to discuss that with my client.
Is he here today?
yes,
Yes.
your client's here.
Yeah, why don't you can you send them both to a chat room? Is that what you want to do, Mike, right now?
All right.
I'll put you in a break room with Mr.
Pat Montgomery, talk to me.
Which case are you looking at, Judge?
There you go. Talk to me about Joseph Frank Jelich, please.
Despite my best efforts, I'm unable to contact that fellow.
Okay, I'm gonna have to put a warrant out for him in the nicest possible way. If you find him, let me know and I'll pull it back.
All right, I think I have another one on your docket. Maybe not, though. It's Alfredo Hernandez. He's got four in your court, but 3 of them are scheduled for November 29th. So far as I can tell, he only has notice of the November 29th.
Okay, what I've got here is, we just moved, Your Honor. We just received from County Court 7, 2 of his cases, and they have a case with us. So maybe the other ones, I don't know when those are set, Your Honor. They may be set in November. We just received those today in our court.
Let's do this. Let's reset for 30 days so everybody can get their ducks in a row.
Okay.
Let's do all these at the same time in 30 days, all 4 cases. State, if you take a look at this and send out the big deal of the day for Mr. Hernandez to Mr. Montgomery, and maybe y'all can work a deal.
Will do, Judge.
Will that work?
Get up, Miss Galloway. Thank you so much.
All right, good to go.
Take care, y'all.
Jesse Rivera.
Your Honor, he's running late. I believe either he or his son had a medical appointment, like a doctor's appointment. He said he'll be late.
Jeffrey Ho.
He's here.
Yes, Your Honor. How are you?
Eliza Thomas, please.
Judge, unfortunately, since our last setting, I still have had no contact with Ms. Thomas.
Okay, I'm gonna have to issue an FTA warrant. If you find him, let me know and I'll pull it back.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And that's all we can do on that one. That's the only case you got that I see.
I believe so. May I be excused?
You bet. Thank you. Jocelyn, are you with us today?
Your Honor, she has reset for trial.
Okay. Lisa Boyd, are you with us?
It's at 2:30, so she may not have been in yet. Mr. White is back from Mr. Muno from the breakout room, Your Honor.
Mike, what's your plan?
I need to talk to the prosecution again, Your Honor.
All right, it's not gonna work right now because I only have 2 prosecutors and they've divvied up all these cases. So if I send one back with you, they won't be available when somebody needs to talk to them. Let's just reset for a week for you to get plenty of time to talk to the prosecutors all you want. Will that work?
Yes, but right now it only take me a moment or so.
Okay, you gotta listen to me or we can't communicate. We're in the middle of an arraignment setting. You gotta do all your negotiating before or after, okay? If you want to come back at 3:30 when we're finished, you're welcome to do it then.
All right.
All right, otherwise just reset for 1 week. If you get something else figured out, let us know.
Okay, what day would it be set for?
Next Tuesday, the 19th, 2 o'clock.
Yes, Your Honor.
Same sign-in information.
Okay, 2 o'clock?
Yep.
I'll send you the docket and you'll see what time you'll be scheduled.
I'm sorry, is it 2 o'clock?
I don't know. I will know when I get the docket and put the times.
I see, okay, the 19th.
You'll get a copy of the docket and you can look it up yourself.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. We've got Robert Maurer. Let me find you.
It's on a Marshall Roberts, Judge.
Yes.
I have an offer. I have all my discovery. I just need about 3 weeks. I need to have them come in. I'm the second lawyer on the case. I've been retained. If you give me about 3 weeks, I'll have them come and look at the discovery and either plead it or set it for trial.
That's all good. I just got to find you on my docket somewhere.
It's at 2:30, Your Honor. It is. It'd be the second page around that.
I got you. All right. You want to reset 30 days, Robert?
Yeah, that'd be perfect, Judge.
You're the man. You got anybody else today or is that it?
That's it.
You're out of here. Thanks.
Bye, y'all.
Lucio, who you got today?
Victor Tovar.
And I'm looking for you.
Who do you have?
Victor Tovar.
Got him. I've got him under William Davidson, Your Honor.
Ah, let's try that.
Are you retained, sir?
Yes, I am.
Did you already e-file your retained counsel?
I filed my notice of appearance of counsel.
Do you know when? Because it wasn't.
Yes, it was back
printed
on the 17th of November of September.
Interesting, because this was printed yesterday. So
No,
it should.
he can file it when he gets around to it. Let's talk about Victor Tovar. That's what we're talking about, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. And are you in contact with Mr. Tovar?
Yes, sir.
And have you received an offer from the state?
I have not talked to the state yet, nor have I received any discovery.
State, fire off an offer if you would. Let's reset for a week so you can get an offer from the state, talk to your client, and then let us know what you want to do. Will that work?
That'll work.
All right.
Judge, an offer was sent to Mr. Davidson, but I will resend that to Mr. Valdez, and all the discovery is uploaded under the case number. So Mr. Valdez, you're going to have to request access to that.
Okay, and Pat, check and see if we received Mr. Valdez's documents.
Right, because if not, he's not going to be able to get discovery. I will look at it as soon as we get off, and if there is an issue, I will contact Mr. Valdez, okay?
All good.
Your Honor, I just noticed that I will be out of town next week. Could we reset it for 2 weeks?
How about the 19th? Will that work?
The
19th is next week, Your Honor. He's asking for 2 weeks.
26th, will that work?
Yes, sir, that'll work.
Let's do that one.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ed Bartlemy, I'm looking for you.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Let me see where you're at.
Is Petri?
It's at 3 o'clock, Your Honor, and we're having people come from 2:30.
They moved me to 2 o'clock for some reason, Pat. I'm sorry.
No, they did not.
Never been early in his life. How did that happen?
Trust me, I did not. It would be me, not anybody else.
We tricked
Well,
him into being on
she
time.
said it's 2, so I'm just doing what I was told.
Ed, I got a Leonidas Perirzian, it looks like.
That's him.
And are you in contact with him?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you received an offer from the state?
You know, I don't think so, Judge. Last time we didn't get to it.
State, can you go ahead and fire off an offer? And Ed, will a week be enough? You need more?
No, the 19th's fine, Judge.
All right, let's do this.
Mr. Bartlemy, I sent an offer in this case on August 26th.
I didn't see it, so I apologize. But I just send it to Edward at EA Bartlaw.
Edward at E. Okay.
Okay, and that's my paralegal on the other one. And by the way, Judge, the 19th will be fine for the state. My computer system's down. I'm waiting for a computer guy now. I'm working off my home laptop, so everything I got on my main one is tied up, Judge.
Okay, understand.
19th, I'll be here.
19th,
Thank you very much.
Okay.
May I be
Lisa
excused? Judge?
Voigt is here, Your Honor. We've gotten the 2:30s are signed in.
Let me try to get back on my list. Is Eric Hernandez here yet?
Your Honor, Lisa Voigt. She's
All
about,
right. Is Eric here yet?
no.
All right, that's all I need to know. Lisa, let me find you again.
He's right above Eric.
What's going on with Danny Gonzalez, please?
I just got an offer recently. I need to go over it with my client.
Will the week give you enough time?
Yes, sir.
How about coming back next Tuesday, the 19th? Will that work?
Okay.
All right, you're out of here. Thanks.
You only have me on one case?
That's what I see, unless you know you have more than all.
Only one, Lisa.
Well, I did have Raul Rodriguez at one time. Did he get
Who?
pulled off?
I don't know.
Raul Rodriguez, 669-275. He got
662.
669-275.
275. I don't know, but I will check it. Maybe someone was hired and you don't know, and I'll double check and let you know. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thomas Beck, talk to me about Christy Vela, please.
Judge, she was released from jail last weekend sometime, I believe. She had jail court Monday. We actually had worked something out, but I can't find her since she's been out. Got a short notice, but I did my due diligence, and she probably doesn't know about the hearing. But we got an arraignment saying it was set on the November 2nd.
Okay. I'll have to check and see if maybe one of them was or one of them wasn't. I'll need to check on that.
but I
You want some more time to look for her? I don't have to issue a warrant today.
yeah, Judge, 10 days or, what, 2 weeks.
Why don't you take 2 weeks from right now, and if you can't find her in that time, let Pat know. Will that work?
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
So we're good on that one. And have you received an offer yet? Obviously, you're brand new on top of this stuff.
Yeah, we have an offer. We had a settlement, but now the client is hadn't been able to get a hold of it.
2 weeks, and you've already got an offer. If you find her, then let us know what's going on.
Yeah, Pat, what's that date? You know? We will.
Your Honor, I believe Joseph Stateson is here for Monica Guerrero. She is.
Joseph, talk to me about Jose Zuniga, or Alberto Zuniga, rather.
On this Monica Guerrero, I believe that there is a current warrant for not having ignition interlock installed. Monica's repeatedly told him to do it. And I don't know if he's in compliance on that, Your Honor.
At this point, it's still enrollment for Smart Start Mobile.
He's already got a warrant out for him, it looks like.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you find him and you get him street legal, call us and I'll pull all that warrant stuff back.
Yes, Judge. Monica has one more, Ruby Galvan.
Ruby Galvan, what's going on with Ruby?
We have good contact with Ruby. Monica was on the felony case on bond. She picked up the misdemeanor here. The felony was dismissed. We need an offer on this. And I believe Monica has a motion on file to change GPS to tracking only. If we can take that matter up at a later time, or if we could do it now.
Your Honor, that was one of the ones that you asked me to look up the information for you, and I sent it to you today.
Okay. I'll take a look at that aspect of it. You want to reset 1 week on this one, Joseph? Would that give you enough time? They'll send you an offer?
Yeah, so they can send an offer. 1 week is good, Judge.
All right, then we're good to go. Okay, State, at your ability, please send Mr. Stateson and or Judge Guerrero the offer on Ruby Galvan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's see, who else we got?
Stacy Crouch is here, Your Honor, on Michael Moreno. He would be the next one.
I'm sorry, who is here again?
Stacy Crouch.
Hey, Judge.
On Michael Moreno, it was right after Monica Guerrero.
All right, I'm looking. Bingo, Stace, talk to me about Michael Moreno, please.
I believe he may be here or not, but I have good contact with him. I did give him the link. I didn't know. I told him.
Here, you just need to be where you're in contact with him.
Yeah, I have contact with him. And no, I've not spoken to any prosecutors about this case.
State, can you fire off an offer to Ms. Kraus and let's reset a week for y'all to look at that? Does that give you enough time, Stace?
I would actually like to talk to a prosecutor about this one, Judge. I don't think my client is guilty of anything.
Because they've divvied up all these cases, and if they're back talking to you and somebody else comes along and I can't talk to them. So you can come back at 3:30 when this docket's over and talk to them, or I'll give you another week or 2 weeks, whatever you need to get with them at your ability. How's that?
Yeah, that's fine, Judge.
What do you want to do? Just reset
I'll
a week?
come back.
You come back? Okay.
Right now, Pat, just reset it for a week, but come back at 3:30 and you can talk to them all day long.
Okay,
Sure.
thanks.
Thanks. And who else we got?
Forrest Good, who is right after, Eric DeWalt, but then it's Forrest Good is there at.
All right, is Forrest with us?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Forrest, talk to me about Sammy Ibarra, please.
I have good contact with the client. I received an offer, was it yesterday or is today Tuesday? Yes, so yesterday. My client has some concerns and I was wanting to confer with them at some point later this week. So a week reset would be awesome.
All right, let's reset that one for a week on Mr. Ibarra.
Okay, Your
And
Honor.
that's the only case I've got for you that I see.
Yes, sir.
Right. Go down the list. There's more people. Michael Dominique is here, Your Honor.
Mike Dominique, are you with us?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Jose Chavez, please.
I have him in my office. He just spoke to his immigration attorney last week. We have an offer from the state. I just want to wrinkle one thing out with the state. So I'll come back at 3:30 as well to make sure we have the same offer. And then I think we could set for a plea even, but I just want to confirm with the state before that. So.
All right, State, I don't want to overload you and I don't know what your schedule is. How do you want to do all these conferring?
We're
It's,
unavailable today at 3:30 because we have a division meeting. So we're
Okay.
not going to be able to come back.
Okay.
Just reset folks for a week and then they've got a whole week to get with you. Will that work?
Okay, that works for us.
Mike, let's do that.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yeah, you bet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Adam Flores is here.
Adam, talk to me about Wilmer Ruiz Ortega.
Yes, Your Honor. Based on the evidence and his immigration status, unfortunately, he can't take a plea, Your Honor. Yes, let's take it to trial.
Okay.
All right, you want to go on the jury trial docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
See you in January.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
You are in contact with this person, right?
Yes, Your Honor. I call him right now, and he says,
Thanks for your help.
Your Honor, may I be excused?
You bet.
Yes.
All right, hang on. 2-minute break. I got a trauma going on here.
Okay.
Is the court muted?
The judge is taking a break at this.
Oh, okay.
He had a little, something was going on. I
No
heard.
problem.
something
Is
going
Patty
off on his-
Grover, is Patty Grover on your docket?
I believe so. Hold on.
Okay, so he hasn't finished.
No.
Patty Grover?
He's going down the list of attorneys.
No problem. Are we still there, though? We're on your
Yep.
list?
Yeah,
Okay,
you're
thank
there.
you. Okay, good.
Eric, I sent you a chat.
Would you send that to?
To you.
Help me out. What U-Haul case are you talking about?
I think you have the co-defendant.
Oh, I'm thinking of U-Haul pull behind. My guy that was just buying some liquor with no money.
Yeah.